In this video, we're going to talk about how to connect Project Professional with Project Online or Project Server. So after you've installed Project Professional onto your desktop, go ahead and open it up. You should see a login window that appears, and you want to go ahead and select Computer from that window and select OK. Now Project Professional is opened up. Now we're not connected to the Project Online or Project Server instance yet, but this is how you set it up. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to New. You want to select Blank Project. You want to go back to File. You want to go to Info. And you want to go to Manage Accounts. Now another window pops up. In this case, I already have a couple of URLs and accounts that I've already created, but at a bare minimum, you should see Computer here. So to add an account, you click the Add button, and it's basically going to ask for two things to be filled out. First, you want to give it a name. So I'm going to go ahead and say this is called Test Demo. This is something that I'm going to remember what this account is for and where it's going to take me to when I connect. Then down here, you want to go ahead and you want to put in your URL to PWA. So I'm just going to put URL to pwa.com. Now, the system does not check to make sure that the URL is correct and that it's actually a PWA URL. So you could literally type anything in here. So you want to be really careful that you're actually typing in the URL for the PWA instance you want to connect to. So I'm going to select OK. And you can see here it went ahead and it created an account. Now, if you want to be able to have multiple accounts and you want to be able to choose one of those accounts, in other words, you're not signing into the same account every single time or the same PWA instance every single time. Like you might have a demo, you might have a production, you might have a QA, you might have different instances of PWA. You need to make sure that you choose an account. Make sure this radio button is selected. When it is, you can select OK. And now you have saved the account. Now, assuming that you have permission to connect to Project Online and you have typed in the correct URL, what you're going to do is you're going to shut down Project Professional, close it, and you're going to reopen it. And this time, when it opens, you're going to look for the account or the URL that you created, and you're going to select it. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select one that I have already done, and I'm going to click OK. Now what it should do, it's going to think in the background, and then it's going to open up the exact same page. Now you might be saying to yourself, well, how do I know if I'm connected to Project Online? You would see an error if you weren't. It would pop up. You also can click Open. You would see the name of your PWA instance, the account name that you gave. It would show up here if you're connected, and it would allow you to browse the different projects that you have on your system. So I hope this helps. I hope you understand now how you can connect Project Professional to Project Online or Project Server. Have a great day, everybody.